Hello everyone, welcome to an old it was an old premise. It was called Point of View Review, where I'd wear Google glasses, I had some food, you got to see me eating the food through my own eyes. My wife hated it. This time around we're going to be doing some food reviews of places to eat here in Toronto that I've lazily ordered from Uber Eats. And today we are going to be checking out some ribs. And these ribs came from Pig Out BBQ in Spadina. Okay, so first off the bat, we got, let's check it out, a little bit of mac and cheese. And for the main event, looking forward to this. And pretty nice ribs. Try a little bit of the sauce. Dip a little bit of that into that. That's quite nice. Let's just start this mac and cheese and see if it's any good. Mac and cheese here is so different to New Zealand. Like in New Zealand, it's cheese rather than whatever this is. It's okay. Might you get some like cheesy stringiness. So overall, out of 5, I give it 3.5. So 3.5, and that was Pig Out BBQ in Spadina here in Toronto. Thanks for watching.